Yeah, I mean, Michael Saylor has explained why this makes sense because MicroStrategy, they make $500 million, but they're not growing at a 20 to 30% annual growth rate, right? But Meta is, Apple is, all these other like big companies, they are. And so from an investor perspective, you are going to invest more on NVIDIA, Apple, and Meta because they're still growing. MicroStrategy is not.
I see.
And so that's why everyone else is struggling. So Meta and all these companies are working on robotics, self-driving cars, like all this stuff that has growth potential, but everyone else is not.
So that means accept the reality that you're going to die. You're in a dying situation. Like you're slowly dying.
Yes.
Like you have cancer.
Yes.
So the only antidote to cancer is Bitcoin or crypto at this point.
Buy TAO, dude.
It used to be
Obviously.
just Bitcoin. Not just TAO. I think Fetch.ai too.
Yeah, Fetch.ai. It's a NASDAQ listed interactive strength. Plans to invest $500 million in Fetch.ai.
Remember Fetch?
Yeah.
We talked about them like 3 years ago.
That's like, as soon as ChatGPT was announced, we were like, let's look for AI projects in crypto. And we found Fetch.
Yeah, Fetch was like the leader of the time, I think.
Yeah. I think there was another one called Ocean or something.
Yeah. There were several others, but the Tensor was around too, but it was like lurking way lower valuation than what Fetch was at the time. But it's interesting. So there's a weird systemic thing happening, and it's not just applied to the AI sector, right? Like Virtual Bacon here is saying, there's being announcements for even like XRP acquisition to become like, company treasury vehicles for XRP. I mean, this thing might extend to all sectors. Like, if they're struggling, I don't know, VR studios or Metaverse companies out there, maybe they'll start acquiring Decentraland, Mana at some point. Who knows?